Paco is going to do her half, so let's go see. Okay, and then tell me if I'm about to fall.
Gonna fall.
Okay. And now? Okay. Awesome.
Now my standing tuck. Ready. Oh, that was bad. Now my layout. And now my front punch. And now my front hamstring. With fists. Ta-da! And now my toe touch tuck. Woo! I almost fell off the trampoline. Now my back handspring step out. And now back handspring with fist.
Wasn't that awesome?
Awesome possum!
Alright, so next one is gonna be Poncho.
Oh, did you see that? That was cool.
Yeah. That was awesome, possum. Okay, bye.